So now in the morning, we have discussed the entries for issue of debentures. I hope question number 1 is clear to all of you. If still any query, first let me clear that, ask that very fast. Then I will proceed to question number 2. Okay, now see question number 2. Smart Limited issued 12% debentures of ₹100 each, payable ₹30 on application, ₹70 on allotment. So what is the face value of the debenture? Yes, very good. And we can cross check it also with the breakups given for the installments. 30 is on application and 70 is on allotment. Now, what is the rate of interest on these debentures? Yes, it is 12% per annum. Okay. So now, because we are issuing debentures, so first entry I am doing now. Now, you have issued 4,000 debentures as well as you have received applications also for 4,000 debentures. This sentence in the question is right now not of any use to us. So we should not get confused with these type of sentences. The debentures are redeemable after 4 years. So obviously this is informing you that whatever debentures you are issuing right now, that has to be repaid back after 4 years. But we are not supposed to do journal entries for redemption of debentures right now. Then debentures were allotted to all the applicants. All money was received. So you have received all the amount. So there is no calls in arrear, no calls in advance also. So bank account debit to 12% debenture application account. This time allotment stage is different. That's why we will open only application account here. So I hope journal entry is clear. Now coming to the amount section. So 4,000 debentures are there and ₹100 is the amount of debenture. So the amount will be 4 lakh. And this amount will also be 4 lakh. Sorry, it will be multiplied by 30. The amount of application money is ₹30 per share. So 4,000 multiplied by 30. 4 lakh will be the total amount of debentures. But because application money is given ₹30, so that's why 30 will be multiplied by 4,000 and the amount will be 1,20,000 for application money. This point is clear. Then I will transfer this application money, 12% debenture, application account debit, 1,20,000 to 12% debentures account, $1,20,000. Yes, please. No allotment. Allotment account debit. Now 70 multiplied by 4,000. 2,80,000. Now this is due entry 12% debentures account. Yes, please. Any query in this entry or before in any earlier one entry? We can't do lump sum. This time question has given us installments. Then how you can do lump sum? Then bank account debit. You will receive the total amount 2,80,000 to 12% debenture allotment account 2,80,000. Yes. So till here we have completed the question number 2 also, and you can check again. See, debenture application has been credited by 1,20,000, debited by 1,20,000. So the simple journal entry is bank account debit to 12% debentures account. Allotment account debited with 2,80,000 and credited with 2,80,000. That's why again the entry is bank account debit to 12% debenture account. So this is a single journal entry. If someone wants to do single journal entry for issue of debentures, that will be bank account debit to 12% debentures account. So I hope this single journal entry is also clear. Now see question number 3. Voltas Limited issued 20,000 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10% payable on application. So obviously uh, we can issue debentures at par, at premium, and at discount. So this time now we have done first 2 questions we have done for issue at par. Now we are doing issue at premium, and because the whole amount is to be collected on application only, that's why we will be opening now application and allotment account. So bank account debit to 12% debenture application and allotment account. Now the number of debentures is 20,000 and the face value is rupees 100. How much is the premium per debenture? What is the amount of premium per debenture? Yes, very good. So on application, I will be getting rupees 100 per debenture or 110 per debenture. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Because on a single installment, I have to collect the amount. The debenture face value is 100 and premium is rupees 10. So on application only, I will be getting rupees 110 per debenture. So 20,000 multiplied by 110. This will be your application amount received. So it will be 20,000 multiplied by 120 lakh, and so it will be 22 lakh. Yes, this one is clear. Now 12% debenture application and allotment account debit 22 lakh. I have to adjust to 12% debenture account. And because premium is also there, so to securities premium reserve account. So now face value of the debenture is 100 and 20,000 debentures are there. So it will be 20 lakh and securities premium reserve will be 2 lakh. 20,000 debentures, 10 rupees per debenture is the premium. So 20,000 multiplied by 10, it should be 2 lakh. Now you can cross check your totals. If you will do it with the subtraction method, sometimes you may do calculation wrong. Yes, still here, please tell me if any doubt is there. Now see, Ratnakar Limited issued 5,000 13% debentures of 100 each at a premium of 20%. So 20% has to be calculated for rupees 100. So rupees 20 is the premium, 30 on application, 70 on allotment. The premium, if nothing is said in the question, will again be assumed on allotment. But here it is specifically mentioned that the premium of rupees 20 will be collected on allotment and the balance on first and final call. Now what amount you will be collecting on first and final call? What will be the amount on first and final call? See, 100 is the face value and 20 is the premium. So total value to be collected is 120. Now out of 120, 30 has been collected on application and 70 has been collected on allotment. So it means 100 I have collected out of 120. So rest of the amount is 20. So that's why whenever you have to calculate the balance, first calculate the issue price. And from that issue price, start subtracting the amounts given into the question. Then you will be able to reach to the balance. Always keep this formula in mind, because otherwise you will get much confusion in discount question also. So what is the criteria? First calculate the issue price, 100 plus 20, 120. If suppose 20 is a discount, then it will become 100 minus 20 and the issue price will be 80. So from the issue price, start subtracting 30 and 70. Now it's clear how to calculate the balance. Now it is saying record necessary journal entries in the books for issue of debentures, assuming that the issue is fully subscribed. So obviously, first entry will be bank account debit to 13% debenture application and allotment account. Sorry, application account. Allotment is separate and first call is separate. So 13% debenture application account. What will be the amount for application money? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. Yes. 5,000 multiplied by 30. 5,000 debentures multiplied by 30 rupees per debenture. Application money is 30. So it will be 1,50,000. Then allotment money will be how much? Out of 70, 20 is premium. So for debenture, 50 will be there and for premium, 20 will be there. So 50 multiplied by 5, 2,50,000. 20 multiplied by 5, 1 lakh. It will be 3,50,000. So that way try to complete it today. Rest we will discuss tomorrow.